Today we're going to talk about IROAD Dash cameras and the challenge of having the problem of no Wi-Fi dongle or Wi-Fi is off.
Wi-Fi power is off.
If you hear this noise, you might think it's defective. People actually look all over the internet and hear that they need to buy a new Wi-Fi dongle and they need to replace it. And I can tell you that 99.9% of the time that is not the case. That is completely wrong information. And if I even look it up here on my phone and I look up Wi-Fi, you can see that it actually, as the light blocks it, there is no Wi-Fi for the IROAD listed here at all in my Wi-Fi. So now, if I go and push the power button on the X11 is right on the side, and depending on your IROAD dash camera will actually depend on where the power button is. But if you push and hold it for 1.5 seconds, not 3 seconds, 3 seconds will power it down, but if you hold it for 1.5 seconds, it will actually power the Wi-Fi dongle back on. So we're going to push 1, 2. Wi-Fi power is on. So just like that, we have the Wi-Fi power back on. And now, when we're actually searching for Wi-Fi, you can see the IROAD now shows up again in the list, making it easy for you to pair. But make sure you know this little trick. All you have to do is hit the power button for about 1.5 seconds in order to actually turn your Wi-Fi on or off.